18 Expedition there, pulling in the Ford dealership to return this beast. Let's go pick up my car. So much snow. Car. They just pulled it out for me. They didn't leave it out in the snow. So shout out to them. They cleaned my wheels up. My wheels looking real shiny and nice. There she is. It's been a long time. My baby's finally done. Reunited, and it feels so good. It's blowing the tires off. Damn, I missed this fucking thing so much. You guys don't even understand, bruh. It was only gone for like 6 days, probably. I dropped it off Tuesday morning, and I picked it up Wednesday morning. So I guess a full week and a few hours, but one of the days was a holiday, so I don't really count that because I know they probably weren't working on it. It was Martin Luther King Day. But I got my baby back. Got my baby back. Got my baby back. Now time for some donuts because actually I can't do donuts till I put my new tires on, which I will show you guys when I get back. So see y'all. Yeah, so pick these up. Got them for $3.85. They have some plastic dip on it. So I just got to peel that off, which I'm doing right now. Got good, decent tread. So yeah. Haven't been to the shop since the last time I showed you guys. So gonna run over there. Put these tires in storage because they're Michelin Pilot Super Sports and it's winter time, so obviously can't run those. So gonna put those in storage and see what TJ, Kenny, and Matt are up to, and let's see what we get into today. All them cams, no torque. Damn. Yeah, I'm coming. You're in charge. Seriously, guys? Pumpkin spice soap? Come on. This is supposed to be a man cave. What the hell is going on in this place? You want me to help you film with your camera? Matt? You can. What do we have here? Got some snackage. I'm gonna steal one of these bad boys. I think it's a V1. Oh, the parts for it. Nice and shiny.
It was supposed to be dry mat, I promise.
First shop
It's
mess.
like, that's like, God damn it, TJ. It's like I'm never letting you hang out.
Did that break free? Okay.
Nope.
Lotus. Just pulled up in the mom wagon. Kenny's gonna take the body shop guy out for a ride in the Lotus. Just warming her up right now. That thing is fucking loud. Driving Kenny's car now. I got the wheels in the back. Gonna go back to the unit, the headquarters, and put them on. So let's go do that. Always torque your wheels, kids. Always torque your wheels. How much are we torquing these for, Kenny?
150.
We torque these to 150.
That's also fake.
Fake news, brah. Damn, whose baller ass wheels are these? Sweet. Winter life, winter setup. Tires, guys. They are down to the wear bars. I didn't even know. Completely shot. Leave a thumbs up if you want me to do a burnout with them before I toss them. But yeah, they're completely shot. But new wheels are on. We're wrapping Kenny's Lotus. There's a G8 that I wrapped. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if it's your first time stopping in, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.